Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a 3D printer issue I've been having lately and also how I fixed it. You're going to want to stick around if your prints are warping or if you're having adhesion issues. This video will also help you if you're new at 3D printing. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can check out my other videos as well. Lately, I've been having warping issues on some of my prints, and I can show you how bad it got on this Nespresso pod holder right here. Right there on the corner and on the edges there. I was also having adhesion issues when I was printing this X-Wing for my last video. After a week of struggling, I finally found the fix that worked for me. Sometimes it is an easy fix in a 3D printing issue. One problem can happen for a variety of reasons, or it can be a combination of them. Here are some possible reasons of why your prints are warping or if they're not sticking to the bed. There are no drafts in the room, and I make sure to clean the bed with alcohol. We can mark two things off the list. It is very important to make sure that your bed is level. You can see here what happens when it is not. Some areas may print fine, but others will not stick to the bed. The Z offset also needs to be right to get that perfect first layer. I adjust my Z level to make a bead that is slightly smashed down. If it is too high, the filament will not stick to the bed and your print will fail. If it is too low, the filament may have trouble extruding. Or worse, you damage the nozzle or the bed. Two more things to take off the list. Next step I tried was increasing the bed temperature to 70 degrees. It did help, but I was still having problems. And there's the last one. To get through these prints, I started using rafts. It did work, but it wasn't the way to fix this. After everything else, I finally tried glue sticks. I have heard that purple Elmer glue sticks work, but I decided to order one made for 3D printing called Magigoo. After adding glue, I changed the temperature back to 60 degrees, and I no longer needed the rafts. Here's the same file that I printed after applying the steps I'm sharing in this video. You can see right here what a difference that makes. Now that I'm able to print without issues again, I'm working on my next video. I'm really excited to share this one with you because it's one of the first 3D models that I've created. I will be doing a series on my Vader chest piece here. In this 3-part series, I'll be going over the printing, the finishing, and also the electronics. I will also be sharing with you my free STL files. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching.